Do you ever need to cut out part of a screen? Maybe you want to copy a testimonial that someone has given you. Maybe you want to copy an idea that someone has put, a question that they've asked you, so that you could use that then to make a Facebook Live, and you could just keep all these snips somewhere safe. My name's Angie King from Getting IT Together Online. And in this short video, I'd like to share with you one of my most favorite IT tech tools, and that is the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is built into the Windows environment. Unfortunately, there's not one that's built in for the Mac, but there are tools available that are similar on the Mac. So the Snipping Tool allows you to do a range of things. You can snip parts of screens, full screens. You can annotate, so you can use a pen to write on it. You can highlight, you can copy it, you can paste it into areas, you can send it into emails. So let me show you how it works. So first thing is I'll share my screen, and you'll see I just have a screen here open, and I just want to take a copy of the zodiac signs. So what I can then do is go to the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see that there is a search field. So in that search field, type just SNI and the Snipping Tool will come up. From here, just do a single click on Snipping Tool, and you'll notice that a small pop-up window has arrived. Now from here, we have a couple of options, and we can click on, if you go to the mode and click on that, you'll see there it's showing us what type of clip we want. So we could do a freeform snip, which is where you use the mouse and you just circle or draw randomly, freely around something. You've got the rectangular snip. You can do a window, so if it is a pop-up window, it will just take the whole window. And lastly, you could do the full screen. So I like using the rectangular strip, so I'll leave it there, and from here I'm going to click on New. Now what happens is that the screen will then go at white, that's sort of like a white overlay over the screen, and then I can then use the mouse. So you'll notice when I take the mouse away, it now has a square box, and I can draw a rectangle around what I'd like. What I have now cut has gone inside the Snipping Tool, and I'll expand that screen. And then what we can do is we can either just decide that we want to save it. We could copy it and paste it into something. So for example, I do this frequently and paste it in a reply within a Facebook question. So one of my clients might ask me, how do you do blah, blah, blah? So I will actually find it, circle the answer, take a copy and paste it straight into Facebook. So it's really easy. You can also email it. So if you email it to the recipient, it will paste that particular image and put it directly in the body of an email, or you could add it as an attachment. You'll also notice we have a pen. Now with the pen, you can change the colors, but you could also customize it to change the thickness. So I'll just leave it at blue for now. And so if I wanted to draw something around my zodiac, which is an Aquarius, I could then just take my mouse and draw around it. And there you go. So you can highlight the area or whatever it is that you want. Alternatively, you could click on the rubber or the eraser and just touch it and it will take it off. So that's very easy to fix up if you can't get things exactly right. There's also a highlighter that you could use. So by clicking on the highlighter, I could highlight the word zodiac, for example. And then if I want to keep this, I can click on save and it's done. How amazing is that? I absolutely love it. I really hope that you take advantage of this tool that's available, because it is an amazing tool and will save you lots of time by just cutting and taking bits of things that you might require. If you like this tip and you'd like to see more videos, pop over to my website, angieking.com.au, where I have numerous tech tips to make your life easier. Have the most amazing and abundant day, and I do look forward to talking to you again very soon. Bye.